Some people might tell you to just jump into things to get going, but that's not always the best course of action, and here's why. If you do not have any friends who stream, nobody will know about you if you just suddenly have your first stream. Twitch is not a place where you really discover people. There are thousands of people streaming to literally nobody. If you don't want to be one of those people, you might want to consider promoting yourself before you debut. Social media is a magical thing. It can be a way to become a part of the VTuber community before you even debut. There are tons of trends going around, tag games, advice threads that you can participate in to get some eyes on you. If you post and interact enough, you might gather yourself some kind of following before your debut date. So when you do debut, there will be people there to greet you. I was lucky enough to have a couple people pop in for mine, and if you start posting now, you might too. Make sure you post things relevant to you and your interests. If your feed is all over the place, people might not be able to get a good grip on your personality. If we can't tell what kind of person someone is, we might not bother with dropping a follow. We follow because we want to see more of a certain thing. And if we see different things every day, there might be something in there that will be a turn off for one or a turn on for another. It's best to stick close to your most beloved topics and ideals so those kinds of people get attached to you. If you lead everyone in one direction, then take a completely different turn on debut, I can assure you that you're gonna lose some people right away. If you make and mention your Twitch account before you even debut, you might be able to get yourself some followers ahead of time to be notified for the day of your debut. But before you start on that posting, there's a few things I should warn you about first. Please check out my videos on what to keep in mind before becoming VTuber so that you don't go through all the effort of posting and setting up a debut day only for it to not work out in the end. I suggest starting with my first video in this series of VTuber tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or pop into one of my streams. I hope this has helped you in some way. Bye bye!